Hello everyone, welcome to the next session of ANSYS tutorial. Today I am going to solve modal analysis, which is the vibration analysis of a bar. I am going to assume a rectangular bar which is fixed at an end, and we will see the natural vibration of that body. Let's start. I'll first click on modal analysis. I'll rename it as example 1. Right click on geometry, new design modular geometry. This is the screen of design modeler. I'll go to units, millimeter, XY plane, look at. I'll sketch a rectangle. I'll give it some dimensions, say 50, 40, extrude. I will extrude up to a depth of 500. So this is my geometry. Next I'll go to model. This is the screen of model. I'll first align my body. I'll go to mesh, mesh control, method. I'll select the geometry, apply. The method here is automatic. I'll change it to tetrahedrons, update. You can choose any other meshing method. I am just showing you an example of a meshing. Next I'll go to model. You can see here in the previous numericals that I have solved, it was always static structural written here. Today I am going to model, hence the term here is model. First we'll go to apply boundary conditions. On this end I'll apply fixed support. Then I'll go to solution, right click, insert, deformation, directional. I want in Z axis. Now there is one more change that we have to do here, that is in modes. Today we have to give the number of modes that we want. I will give the number of modes as 6. I want to see 6 different degrees of freedom in this body. For this problem you cannot calculate the stress strain. The only thing you can calculate is directional deformation. I'll go to solution, solve. Because there is no application of force, there is only one end fixed, hence stress strain cannot be calculated. Now I'll go to directional deformation. This is the deformation which I can see. Now I'll go to graph. These are the 6 modes which are visible here. Select all, right click, create mode shape results. All these 6 modes that I have created, I want to see the mode shape results as well. So I'll go to solution, solve. Now I'll go to directional deformation. I can see the directional deformation here. Now you can see the total deformation in the body. I'll play. This is the first deformation which you can see. Then I'll go to the second one. the third one. It is kind of showing a sine curve. This is the fourth one. This is the fifth one, showing a roll kind of motion. Here you can see another sine wave. This is a pitch kind of motion you can see. This is a yaw kind of motion which you can see. In the fifth one you can see a roll kind of motion. These are the various deformations that you have obtained, and these are the various modes or the natural vibration of the body. When you calculate using FEM, you will get the value of frequency omega. If you want to tally it with the answer of ANSYS, you can tally it from here. These are the various frequency values which are given. Generally, when you solve by FEM, we only calculate for two values of omega. So this is the first value, and this is the second natural frequency of the body. So I'll see you in the next session with another problem of modal analysis. Thank you.